Friends, in this video I tell you some features of this drill. Compared with the traditional electric drill, HOTO electric drill has a minimalist and innovative shape design. The fuselage is made of matte material, integrated design, smooth and delicate. The ergonomic handle fits your hand shape, allowing for holding more comfortably. Matte metal baking paint plus matte TPU soft plastic injection coating, meticulous workmanship, full of mechanical beauty. More importantly, the exterior design won the 2022 IF Design Award. This cordless brushless drill is USB-C plug-in charging, a feature never seen on any other drill. Unlike most battery drills, it has a built-in battery on top instead of a movable battery that needs to be plugged into the base, which makes it very lightweight, smaller, and easier to hold. USB-C charging lets you charge at any time with a power bank or other USB-C port electronics. This stylish and modern power drill is definitely more than enough for most DIY projects/home projects. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.